Hey guys, welcome back.
We're in
Dollar General,
and
we're doing $30
slime
slime
challenge.
I'm Riley. I'm Chloe.
I'm Liza.
And let's get into the video.
Y'all probably knew that.
Okay. So please make sure to like and subscribe. So the first thing,
It looks so weird.
this is our first time doing a YouTube video in public.
So like everyone's looking at us, so we're so sorry if we
Yes.
just turn it over.
Why are we down here at the food aisle? We don't want to add mix. Oh, if you see him, he's not a stalker. He's our cousin.
Yeah.
He drove us. Oh, yeah, there's our grandma. Okay, Play-Doh melt slime.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
Okay, containers.
Okay, let's see.
We have a big gallon of glue.
One time I found Pick-Me Pops for $5. Really good, but still.
Okay, here's. Oh!
How much is that?
$10. It's school glue.
That's really good though.
School glue. And we'd only have $20.
$9 for all of this.
But I think that's better.
Yeah. Let's see. Is there any other thing that we need right here? Glow in the dew. These are things that are really expensive. Remember?
Glow in the dew. What? You said glow in the dew.
I did say glow in the dew.
Okay, we're not getting no glue, but like. Oh, there's those punch cups.
Oh, yeah, we could use those right now.
Okay, this is what I was looking at, the containers. What we're gonna like. Not containers like stuff, you know those big things that people mix their slime in? Well, I don't know where it went. I literally just saw them.
Oh, we're gonna be here in a while, so
Yeah.
came from that aisle.
It was this aisle.
Oh, here they are.
But these aren't it.
This is $1. Let's just get these. Wait, how much is it? One?
Two. It's two.
It's two. Let's just get it.
Wait, then nobody wants them. We'll find bigger containers.
A bigger container? What do you mean a bigger container? How much time
Wait, I saw a bigger container.
sale? We only gonna sell like, not a lot.
I saw these.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah, to make the slime in.
To make a huge gallon, you want to make that much?
And there's going to be 3.
How much is
Let's
it?
do it.
That's probably really expensive.
Let's do it, y'all.
How much is it?
Okay, Grandma, can you get that down?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll carry it.
That's all right. Let's see if it tells how much is on it.
I bet you it's gotta be expensive.
It says.
It don't say.
At home like that.
You just have to ask her.
Yeah, okay. Grandma, can you go ask her?
Off-brand.
Can you go ask her right quick?
Oh,
You gotta get a
off-brand
lid.
ones. Off-brand
No, we're
ones.
going to get 3.
You're getting 3.
Yes.
Yeah, each for one.
You're gonna make that much slime?
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill y'all.
No, we're going to do outside.
It's too cold.
We're gonna do it.
Alright, let me see.
Wait, get those 2 too.
I will, but first let me go see how much it is.
Okay,
Okay, we're going to be looking for mix-ins. Yeah, like.
Wait, well, how much are those? That's a question.
They're probably not that much. What? We could make like some lotion. 2 more. No, Chloe, we're going to share the gallon.
Okay.
Well, they can't be that.
These are kind of cute. You can put these in our...
No. I don't like those colors.
Well, by the time we go to school, it's already going to be time to We should have went here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I like adding this kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, that's a nice pinata. Here's the confetti stuff. Silly string makes slime good.
To make stress balls.
Yeah. Wait, one second. I think we need... No, don't get the little ones. The little ones suck.
Oh, these are really good. Look how cool they look. That's why these are
I know, but look at these. They're like... I like these. Oh, no, those are $1.50.
These are really cool, and they are $1.
Okay, let's just get them. Hey, we need to focus on... Wait, Liza. Streamers. It'll be okay.
I really don't need those. Wait, we have to get one thing for our hideout, remember?
Okay, we'll just search for that in a second.
Yeah, it's just something really, really good.
Oh, here's the mix-in aisle.
Yeah.
Let's see, what can we mix in?
Remember you got one of these for
Shut up.
you know who?
Yeah, but that was a long time ago.
His name anymore because you're gonna like really hate me.
The modeling magic's usually right here.
What? They've stepped up their game. They have baby lives now.
Yeah. The modeling magic was?
It's on our aisle.
Oh yeah, on this aisle.
We came here yesterday. We used to know where everything is. Now we don't.
It's right over here.
I know where it's at.
Here's the modeling magic. Okay, get 3 packs.
3 packs?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And put them in there.
Right.
Yep.
You're right. Paint.
Yeah, paint. We can get a light blue.
Green. Let's get sparkly green.
Yes, and then a dark blue. Oh my god.
No black.
Did we get a white? No.
Oh yeah, it'll turn out white.
Yeah. Did we get a red?
Yep. Wait, I wonder if there's any other books. Because you know these. That's.
Yeah. Like, do y'all just want to try to make a black slime?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, did you get it? Okay, guys. Okay.
Let's see what else.
What'd you just throw in there? Oh.
There's things.
Okay.
Grandma.
Let's see.
Hey, Grandma.
Any mixins? There really ain't that many mixins as I thought they would.
No. Okay, here's some mix-ins. Glitter. No, that's not glitter.
That's not glitter.
So,
Oh, glue sticks.
those are glue sticks for hot glue guns.
Oh yeah, that's cool how they have that though.
Hey, Grandma. Where is the glitter?
Yeah, that's what we needed.
Glitter.
Oh. Glitter. Oh no, that's bad stuff. That's bad stuff. Yes.
Well, who knows? They have so many slime things now. Okay. Did we get 3 of those things?
Yeah.
That's 2, Riley.
2. Grandma has the other one.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Grandma, how much is it? Oh. Exactly. Sorry, guys. This video is going to be super long.
We're only at 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes. Dang. I'll go ask some people where the glitter is. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
But never add Orbeez in this line. Wait, don't come over here. Because that one's going to go off. Y'all stay right here. Do y'all have any glitter?
It'll be down the arts and crafts aisle where the baby stuff is.
Okay.
Okay. We just looked there, but like, okay.
Oh. Where's that done?
Where's that down? Okay.
Okay, no. You get one of these. And
I want this. I want a silver. I really
we
want
got silver. We could get a gold.
So we're having a hay. These are
No, those are bad.
glitter glue. Are this glitter glue? Crap, this is paint.
Yeah, I know.
We could get one of these and that has all this.
Here's the mix-ins.
Can we get one of these?
Yeah, that's $2. I don't like those things. Like we have mix-ins, remember?
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay.
We need one thing for the
Yeah, Grandma's saying how much that is. Let's wait right here. I bet you it's gonna be super expensive. Probably like $2 or $1.
how is yours?
$5.95.
$6. Or that.
It's not that bad.
That's pretty bad,
It's
Riley.
$18.
That's 12.
$12.
3 of them's 18, yes.
Do y'all want to get one?
Yeah, let's just get one.
Because, yeah, we could just separate the slimes.
Yeah.
Okay, so, yeah, we're just going to get
We're
one.
just gonna get one.
Oh.
Who's gonna go first to make slimes?
No, we're all just going to make one huge batch. And then we're going to separate it into
gonna-
little...
No, I already got a lot of stuff.
Okay, guys, just let's remove just this. Or we're just only going to get one.
Here, just get this one off.
Okay, yeah, I'll go look for something for the hideout right quick. I'll be on the next aisle. Sorry, guys, if y'all don't like this video. We thought it was going to be different, but yeah. This is the word to describe this video. Crazy. Not the 8, just crazy. I'm on the wrong aisle. Yeah. Here we go. Those are a pretty color, even though I hate pink. all just gonna do it together.
We're gonna do a little bit of different. Wait, are we gonna? Wait, if we're only gonna get one of those, let's bring up that, and maybe we can get a whole nother gallon of blue.
Oh yeah. Wait,
Are
what's
there
that?
not some cheap right here? Let's look around.
No, it'll be okay, Grandma. We got
Wait,
it.
what about those? What about those?
I'll put these right there.
There, Liza. You see how much this is?
Yeah, those are expensive because those are real good. I'm talking about the cheap.
Wait, are these glass? No. It's okay. We have just a big one. Okay, we need one thing. Oh, that is so cute.
Get it now. Big one.
Doing some macaron chapstick. I used to be in love with macarons. I'd eat them all the time.
Yep, she was. She was literally. That looks like you, Raleigh, for some reason.
Yes. 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 Okay, Josh, want to get a streamer to put in our hideout?
Yeah, let's just get like a streamer. Okay, what color do y'all want? Blue.
I like dark blue, honey.
No.
Yes. Dark blue.
Listen, Bish. Red goes with everything.
No. Black goes with
Hey, how about we just get theirs because they're $1? Hey, Liza, you want them, and Chloe would probably want the pink.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go
That's
check out.
stupid though.
Oh yeah,
What
we're
do we
probably
do?
not even going to use these.
Okay, let's just get one. Whatever.
Yeah. Oh my God, they're so cute.
Okay, whatever.
No, I just fall in love with the most cute stuff.
Some of it's cute.
Yes. I like how they make the little foods.
I love how like the tiny stuff is the cutest.
Yes.
Yeah, real Barbie. That's funny. Oh, it's me now?
Yuck.
We just want to see how much this is, and if we have any left over, we can get the together.
Oh, okay. One and two and four. We've been in this Dollar General for 11 minutes, and it only feels like 3.
Yeah.
We look. Seriously,
We was
okay.
all matching, but I took mine off. You should have kept yours in on, Chloe.
Chloe, stay in line. Stay in line. You need to stay in line, Liza.
I get sidetracked.
This looks like a good
That looks like a good book,
Liza.
though. No, it's sad. Oh my God. Then get up here though.
White cool butter pecan, baby Puerto Rican.
Don't pretend.
I think he's cute.
Who is?
The boy at the register. What'd you say?
Can't put people's face on YouTube if they don't want you to.
We didn't.
We didn't.
We only had ours.
We haven't. We've put it at the ground.
Yeah. We didn't even do that.
And if we do put some, we'll like put a movie over it or something.
We don't even.
I'm gonna do that.
Y'all guys like these?
Yeah,
Reese's egg. No, Raleigh, that could be over $30.
This is wait. What's our total right now?
150.
It'd be $4.82 right now.
No, that ain't that bad.
That's really not that bad. Not gonna be that bad. Let's see right now. Let's see the.
$11.24.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, we got enough money.
We got enough money definitely. We might be able to get in a whole nother
Gallon.
It'd be $15.52 right now. And then $21.88.
Yep.
Okay, guys, bye. We'll see you when we make slime.